Hello friends, this is a geometrical figure known as triangle. Let us learn more about triangle. In this session, you will learn what is triangle, elements of triangle, types of a triangle, interior of a triangle, exterior of a triangle, and angle sum property of a triangle. A closed figure bounded by three line segments is called a triangle. Here ABC is a triangle. We write it symbolically as triangle ABC. Now elements of a triangle. The point where any two sides of a triangle meet is called a vertex of the triangle. A triangle has three vertices A, B and C. These line segments are called as sides of a triangle. An angle is formed at each vertex. The angles of a triangle ABC are angle A, angle B and angle C. Thus, a triangle has three sides, three angles and three vertices. They are called as elements of a triangle. Now, we denote opposite side to angle A with the small letter A, opposite side to angle B with the small letter B, and side opposite to angle C with the small letter C. This triangle can be denoted in 6 different ways. Starting from each vertex, there are 2 ways, in clockwise and in anti-clockwise direction, such as from vertex A, triangle ABC anti-clockwise and triangle ACB clockwise. Now the next topic is types of a triangle. Based on lengths of sides of a triangle, there are 3 types, and based on angles, there are also 3 types. Based on lengths of sides of a triangle, these are 3 types: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. Let's see these types in detail. This triangle is equilateral triangle. Here, length of AB is equal to length of BC is equal to length of AC. A triangle having all the 3 sides of equal length is called as equilateral triangle. All sides are of equal length. The angles opposite to these sides are also of equal measure. So, the equilateral triangle is also called as equiangular triangle. In this triangle, sides AB and AC are of equal length. So also the angles opposite to these sides are of equal measure. So we define an isosceles triangle as triangle having 2 sides of equal length. In this type of a triangle, none of the two sides are of equal length. So in triangle ABC, length of AB not equal to length of BC and not equal to length of AC. So measure angle A is not equal to measure angle B is not equal to measure angle C. If all the three sides of a triangle are of different lengths, then the triangle is known as scalene triangle. Now based on their angles, these are three types: acute angle, right angle triangle, and third, obtuse angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. A triangle with all the three angles acute is called an acute angle triangle. In triangle ABC, all are acute angles. Means measure of each angle, angle A, angle B and angle C is less than 90 degrees. This is a right angle triangle. Here, one angle, angle B, is a right angle. That is, measure angle B is equal to 90 degrees. And angles A and C are acute angles. So, a triangle is called a right angled if the measure of one of its angle is 90 degrees. One special case is in a right angle triangle, if the angles other than right angle are of equal measure, then it is an isosceles right angle triangle. In triangle ABC, if angle A and angle C are of equal measure, then triangle ABC is called an isosceles right angle triangle. Now obtuse angle triangle. This is a triangle where one angle, angle C, is an obtuse angle, means measure of angle C is greater than 90 degrees, and angle A and B are acute angles. A triangle having one obtuse angle is called an obtuse angle triangle. Here also we have special case. If the angles other than obtuse angle are of equal measure, then the triangle is known as isosceles obtuse angle triangle. Here, if in triangle ABC, angle A and angle B are of equal measure, then triangle ABC is known as an isosceles obtuse angle triangle. Next concept is interior and exterior of a triangle. This is a plane. These three lines form a triangle, triangle ABC. This faint blue region is known as interior of a triangle ABC, and this outside region forms the exterior. The points K, P, Y are interior points. Points R and T with vertices A, B and C are lie on the boundary of a triangle, and the points D, L and Z are exterior points. The interior of a triangle together with its boundary is called the triangular region. One property called as angle sum property. This is a triangle ABC. Here major angle A plus major angle B plus major angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So the property says that the sum of three angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. Based on this property, following are some observations. First, we know that in an equilateral triangle, measure of all angles is equal. So by this property, all angles are of measure 60. So, equilateral triangle is always an acute angle triangle. Second, in a right angle triangle, one angle is of measure 90 degree. So by this property, sum of measures of other two angles is also 90 degrees. Now based on the above concepts, these are some examples for your understanding. Please solve the examples. The first one, which of the following is or are examples of triangle? Second, in a right angle triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 70 degrees, then the measure of angle PRQ is. Next, in a isosceles right angle triangle, measure of each acute angle is. Which of the following can be a triangle? And last, in a triangle ABC, AB is equal to 5 cm, BC is equal to 7 cm, AC is equal to 5 cm, and angle C is equal to 30 degrees. Then what is the type of a triangle ABC? So we have learned concepts about a geometrical figure, triangle. Thank you.